Welcome to Standard 9 Social Science. I am Saktivel Murugan, Social Science teacher, History Unit 1, Evaluation of Humans and Society Prehistoric Period. So far, we learned origin of Earth and geological age, origin of the world, scientific foundation, Homo erectus to Homo sapiens, human evaluation and migration, prehistoric culture, lower Paleolithic culture, middle Paleolithic culture, upper Paleolithic culture, Mesolithic culture, Neolithic culture, and beginning of modern culture. Already we studied these topics. In this class, we are going to study about prehistoric Tamilakam, lower Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Hominins, oldest Stone Age tools made by human ancestors is called hominins. Yeah, this type we can found near Chennai at Attirampakkam. Cosmic ray exposure dating artifact, that is the object whatever that is excavated in that place, it clearly shows the period is 1.5 to 2 million years ago. Kosasthalayar River, cradle of human ancestors, where people lived here belonged to Homo erectus. In 1863, Robert Bruce Foote discovered Paleolithic tools at Pallavaram in Chennai. Their earliest finds, hand axe assemblages, were considered the Madras stone tool industry, now housed at Chennai Museum. They hunted wild animals, fruits, roots, nuts, and leaves. They don't have knowledge about iron and pottery making, which developed later period. Hand axes and cleavers fitted with a wooden and bone handle used for cutting, piercing, that is like a knife, and digging, also used hammerstones and spheroids exposed near riverside. They occur at Pallavaram, Kudiyam Cave, Attirampakkam, Vadamadurai, Yerumai Vettipalayam, Parikulam, and also found at North Orchid and Tharmapuri districts. Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu, period 3,85,000 to 1,72,000 years ago. Different types of tools these people used. Mainly we can found in southern part of Tamil Nadu and also Tanjavur and Ariyalur districts. Mesolithic culture. No evidence for upper Paleolithic culture is found in Tamil Nadu. Cultural period occur between Paleolithic and Neolithic culture known as Mesolithic culture or Middle Stone Age. Various evidence found various parts of Tamil Nadu. These sites have red sand dunes called theris. Yeah, this type of theris we can see in the southern part of our state, particularly in Thoothukudi district. Scrapers, tools used in the kitchen for removing skin of vegetables. triangles, the shape of triangles. This is also one of the tools used by the people. The next one, lunates. This is also one of the tool used by the people. The shape of this tool is crescent. Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. The people domesticated animals and cultivated crops is called Neolithic culture, also known as New Stone Age. The people lived in small villages, cattle rearing, houses made of thatched and walls plastered with clay. Evidence were found in Vellore and Tharmaburi districts. And also evidence for pottery making and cultivation of harsh gram and green gram found here. Neolithic people made pottery using a slow wheel called turntable or made pottery out of hand. Iron Age or Megalithic period. The cultural period succeeded the Neolithic is called the Iron Age. It preceded the Sangam Age. During this period, many parts of Tamil Nadu was occupied by the people in those days. Exchange relationship developed among the people. People had knowledge of making potter, iron and bronze and gold ornaments also. Evidence we can find at Adichandulur and Sittanavasal. Megalithic burial found whole of Tamil Nadu. This is very important one. Megalithic burial types. The Iron Age is known as Megalithic Age, since people created burials with large stones for the dead people. Within these burials, the skeletons or a few bones of the dead person were placed along with grave goods. This was believed by the people that these would be useful in the afterlife. Egyptian pyramids have similar artifact. Similar burials built easily in early Sangam period. Burial types. Kodakkal looks like umbrella stone. Here in the shape itself clearly mentions the burial type. The next one, Topical headstone. These we can see in the state of Kerala. Agriculture and pastoralism. People of Iron Age practice agriculture. They domesticated the animals. The people still hunting and gathering also take place. Millets and rice were cultivated by the people. Irrigation system developed during this period. Evidence for this, Adichandallur, Purundal near Chennai, Palani are the best example to know about the agricultural system of Tamil Nadu in those days. Iron Age society and polity. The society had formed communities, pastoralists and hunter-gatherers, craft specialists, potters, blacksmiths. Society had several groups. Pottery. Important evidence in the archaeological sites. The Iron Age and Sangam Age people used black and red color pottery. Potteries were used for cooking purpose, storage purpose, dining purpose. Iron technology and metal tools. Megalithic burials have abundant iron objects. Some of them wooden bone horn handles used. Iron tool used for agriculture and hunting, gathering. In battlefield also they used the iron. Thank you, student.